If you have a cascade of a number of amplifiers and would like to know what is going to be the overall performance with respect to noise, intermodulation and gain, there is a special calculator available under General RF Formulas section, the cascaded gain amplifier calculator. So what you see here is in the picture a maximum of 6 amplifiers, which are described by their noise factor, their gain, the 1 dB compression point, and the 3 OIP, the third order intercept point. For each stage you can define or select various values to set these 4 parameters of each amplifier. So here you say this is the gain, the noise factor, 1 dB compression point, and the IP3. Same for stage number 2, gain, noise, 1 dB compression point, and IP3. Here you can select the number of amplifiers in total you have in the cascade, but let's, for this explanation instruction video, just work with 2. So let's say if you have here on the second stage quite a noisy amplifier with a relatively low gain, and if we add a preamp, let's call it an LNA, with a gain of, well, let's do a different, 20 dB, and a noise factor of 1, then what you see immediate here, you see the calculations are done immediately when you change the numbers. The noise factor is 1.81, so the noise factor of this amplifier, 14.3, with this one in front and a gain of 20 results in 1.81 dB. Well, these same calculations apply for the intercept points. So what you can see here, if you are using amplifiers with the same 1 dB compression points, there is a slight degradation on the overall performance. And if you reduce this one, or if you reduce this one, you can see that this is reduced anyway. So if we go higher than this one, so if we take a huge intercept point here, a very high one, the overall 1 dB compression is limited by stage number 2 in this case. So if this is a perfect amplifier without any compression, you see that there's still a limitation on the overall system because of the performance of stage number 2. Well, same applies to, of course, to the IP3. So if this IP is going to be very low, let's reduce it. You see there is an influence on this one. If we go up, and there you see that if this is a very good amplifier with a very high IP3, the overall performance is limited by stage number 2. So easy to work with this up to 6 amplifiers in total. And well, I thank you for your attention.